So I did a ting, my friends. The Curly Proverbs Challenge is officially over. Well, maybe there might be one more week, but it's over for me. And I wanted to show you guys how I straighten my hair. I really wanted to check in on my progress. I haven't straightened my hair since January, I believe. And I know some of you might be like, but girl, it's summertime. Why you straightening your hair? It's just gonna revert. Well, because I use this product. If you live under a rock, you don't know what this is, but it is the Color Wow Dream Coat Supernatural Spray. It is supposed to defy humidity. When I straighten my hair usually, and I'm not using anything special like that, my hair poofs within like minutes of straightening it. Now I know some of y'all might be like, well, it ain't that straight now, but this is as straight as I got it, because let me tell you, my flat iron goes up to like 450 degrees, but these fine strands, I'm not trying to take that risk. I went as high as 380. 380 may not be able to get my hair as straight, and I'm sure if I went to a salon and did it professionally, they probably would do it higher, but I'm not doing that. And I was, you know, with the grades and stuff, I had to just put some what's this stuff called? Edge control, because I was too scared. I was trying to get like all the little hairs. I was like, you know what? You're not about to get snatched balls. So I'm gonna tell y'all, it's humid, and as straight as I got it, it's literally staying. Like, it's not reverting. It may look like it's not fully straight, and it's not as I ain't got that much hair. Look, it's as straight as it need to be. Like, I don't need bone straight. I would love a silk press, but this is a straightening, and this is good enough for me. And I wanted to check and see what my hair was looking like since old girl took the scissors and chopped me up. Not too worse for wear. Before she cut me, I was like literally like down here after straightening, so she cut a lot, but you know, it is what it is. But let me give y'all the view. Like, I feel like I'm getting my inches back. Right, y'all see? I'm getting the inches back. On to the topic of this video, which is my vacation hair. I'm going away. I'm not getting in water, so it's neither here nor there. I did not need to worry about my hair reverting. All I needed to worry about is if I sweat, if I'm sweating right now. Like, I'm literally sweating right now, and so far my hair is not reverting. I keep looking in the mirror. Now, I've seen people use this product and then they put some steam and they want to see if the hair is gonna like poof. I ain't taking that risk, because to be honest, I don't know if I use that product 100% perfectly. So one of the things they say is that you're supposed to apply the Dream Coat to damp hair, and I definitely put it on wet hair, and I began to blow my hair out because the product is activated with heat. However, I just was like, you know what, it is what it is. I already did it. Probably should have read the instructions, but whatever. But so far, so good. And my hair, honestly, the way I'm wearing it for vacation, this is one of the styles. Like, I just want to wear my hair down. No, not really. Show you how, like, literally my edges is sweating. Like, sweating, and it's not reverting. Like, oh my gosh, this is amazing. Like, I'm sweating in my head. I feel the sweat. So I'm going for like a boho-y type style, very low effort, and it can only be done on straightened hair, because I mean, I guess you could do it on curly hair, but you'd have to have really long curly hair to do it, and my hair is not very long, not when it's curly at least. So what I am doing is a fishtail braid. You brush this out. I typically do not brush my hair, but you know, when it's straighter, you can get away with it. So I'm just brushing it, because even when it gets straight, it gets tangled. So I just want to make sure I don't have tangles. But yeah, I'm sweating and my edges is not reverting, y'all. I feel so happy about this. So excited about the other product that had made my hair super curly, and that lasted for 3 days. But I mean, it could have lasted longer, but I'm going to definitely demonstrate it when I get back from vacation, because once I am able to excuse my underarm pits. I mean, I am going to shave those before I go on vacation. Yeah, I just want to smooth this out really, really, really well to secure it. But I'm not going to keep this in. Well, maybe not. No, I probably won't keep it in once I'm done with this fishtail. But I need this to secure it in order to do the fishtail braid, or else my hair will keep slipping out. I mean, I could do this without this rubber band, but I think for the longevity of the style, I need to have the, not a rubber band, elastic. So essentially when you do a fishtail braid, you just split your sections into two, like so. Then you're going to take a small section from the outside of this section, and you're going to take a small section from the outside of this section, and you're just going to hold on to those at all times, keeping them separate. Here, join here. Take this side and join it to this side. Take a piece from the outside here, join it to the inside on this side, and take it from this outside and join it to this side. And then you just keep repeating the process like so. And at first it don't really look like nothing as you're doing it, but you get to the end, it's so pretty. And the size of the section you pull from the outside will make a difference in what it looks like. It really depends on personal preference. You could put really thin pieces, or you could use really kind of like larger pieces. It just gives it a different look. I'm doing sort of like a medium small size. It definitely takes a while. You have to be patient, but it's so cute, and it actually lasts a few days. So I've gone as far as I can go, and I'm just gonna end it with a twist because I'm starting to get a little finger tied. But as you can see, there's my little fishtail. I'm going to like pull it apart, make it messy, but because my hair is straight right now, this is not going to stay. So this is where this part is gonna come in handy. I'm gonna take this out now, and I'm going to use it to secure the end of that fishtail braid. Hopefully I'm not messing it up too much, but it is what it is. I do want a sort of messy look. So here we go, nice and loose. I'm going to secure the end. Actually, I should probably use an elastic. No, I'm going to use an elastic, but I'm pulling this apart. My powder, actually have it close by, but I don't really need to put the powder. I don't need it to be bigger than this. I want it to be really like, you know. Let me get my elastic. Okay, so I'm securing the end with an elastic band, and when I'm ready to take this elastic band out, I just pop them. I don't want to deal with like breaking my own hair, but this is my fishtail braid. I cannot wait for it to get super long like it was when I first did it. And in fact, I'm going to show you a picture here. It was way longer, but you know, it is what it is, girl. But I want to wear my hair in a very low maintenance way. We don't have to fool with it too much. What I might do is when I'll one of the 2 days that I'm away, I'll take it out and wear it in a more you know, like a wavy kind of look. But essentially what I will do instead is I want to like adorn it a bit. So I will take like a clip like this, and I will hold it together like so. Clips that I have is to decorate the sides. So I'm gonna take this side and I'll put this one here. A little bit more pizzazzy-zazz to it. It has like a little rhinestone. And then I'll put another one on this side, but sort of off-centered. My lovely little vacation style. What you guys think? I love the fishtail braid. I really do. I love it so much. And in fact, I could even do 2 fishtail braids, but you know, for the sake of vacation, I'm just going and I'm just doing a cute little style. You know, my outfits are going to be, I would say, semi-casual. If I can capture some photos, I will. But to be honest, when I'm on vacation, I'll be thinking about y'all. Sorry, I don't mean to offend you, but I'm serious. I just be trying to like get away and just be like, oh, I don't want to think about work. I don't want to think about doing anything but just having a good time and relaxing. So I might not get photos. We will see. Oh, what I did want to mention, one thing also, was after I straightened my hair, I used 2 products to add the shine and also strength to my hair. I used Omega Naturals Extra Strength Hair Strengthening Oil on my ends. And I used Carol's Daughter Black Vanilla Shine Enhancing Hair Sheen towards like the top, so that I would have a little bit of shine up there. My hair tends to look a little bit more dusty now that it's really graying, and you know, I just need a little help. I really like this. It smells so good, and actually it's more apparent when my hair is curly because you could see like the sheen on the individual curls. When I come back from vacation, I will be recording how I do the curly hairstyle. Like, oh my gosh, this product, how funny is it that I have all my products like right there? But no, seriously, this Pure Honey Shrinkage Defense Curl Activator, honey. I'm gonna do this video and I'm gonna link the video to the person who introduced me to this product. She deserves all the shout outs, all the everythings. And actually, if she watches this video, just leave your link in the comments down below. I just said I can't find it right now and I need to run. But thanks for watching. I will catch you in the next video. God bless you.